Okay, so you can use a piece of paper from your sketchbook. This is a nice stiffness. It's sort of better than the copy paper. So we're gonna fold this in 4, and then we're gonna cut out our little window. So there's a perforation, and you will tear. If you fold it nice and firmly, it should tear really easily off the perforation. Then fold it in 4. Or I'll fold it twice. Once this way, crease it well, open it up. Oh, in fact, you can rip that part first, and then you'll have like another piece left over. So if I crease this quite well with my fingernails, it should tear pretty easily along the crease. And if you have trouble with that, you can always cut it with scissors. Then I'm going to take this first half and do it in half again. Creasing it firmly. And there we go. Now, we want to cut a window out of this page, this size. The proportions of our paper is, it's approximately 2 by 3 are the proportions, and I want you to make a window that is 3 by 4.5 centimeters. So